Hello kids, I am going to present the counters and cards. What number is this? 1. What number is this? 8. And what number is this? 7. What number is this? 4. What number is this? 6. What number is this? 9. What number is this? 10. What number is this? 3. What number is this? 5. 1. What comes after 1? 2. 1, 2. What comes after 2? 3. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What comes after 8? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number is this? 1. How many counters we need? 1. What comes after 1? 2. How many counters we need? 2. 1. What comes after 2? 3. How many counters we need? 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 4. How many counters we need? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. How many counters we need? 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? 6. How many counters we need? 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? 7. How many counters we need? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes after 7? 8. How many counters we need? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What comes after 8? 9. How many counters we need? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9? 10. How many counters we need? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Thank you, kids.